Okay, once again, good afternoon, everyone. Today is, what day is today? Wednesday, and this is the last day of our class for this week. And once again, my name is Teacher Guapo. I'm your math teacher in this class. And we are still here in chapter 8. It's about volume and capacities. Okay, so these are the books that we're using, the textbooks in the workbook. And these are the chapters that we have done already. So now we are in chapter 8. It's volume and capacity, comparing volumes and capacities and measuring volumes and capacities. So if you have your workbook or textbook, you can open on 143. But if you don't have, just wait later. I'm gonna tell you. Now comparing volumes and capacities. Okay, comparing volumes and capacities. So these are the objectives that we have this afternoon or this moment to compare volume and capacity. Next is to measure volumes and capacities using objects. Third, to measure volumes and capacities using non-standard units. And to measure volume and capacity using liters. And then after we measure using liters, we will compare the volume and capacities. Okay. Now, what is volume once again? Everybody, what is volume? What is volume in Thai? Yes, volume. What is volume? How about capacity? Capacity. Okay, thank you. Pariman and Kwamchu. Very good. Now here, volume and capacities. We have done this already. Its container is filled with different volume of water. Okay, different volume of water. And what is volume? What is volume once again? Volume is the amount of liquid in a container. Okay, the liquid inside, it might be water or juice or anything which is liquid inside a container, that is called the volume. Okay, now here, capacity. What is capacity? So capacity, it is the maximum volume of liquid a container can hold. So if the container can hold 2 liters, so the maximum, the capacity of that container is 2 liters. If the container can hold 500 ml, so the capacity of that container is 500 ml. These are the tools that used to measure non-standard units. Sometimes we use teaspoon, sometimes we use tablespoon or cup. Okay, so just like this here, everybody, what is the volume of water in the glass? What is the volume of water in the glass? 5. It's correct. How about here? Jug. How many cup? 3. How about here? 18. How about here? 12 tablespoons. Here, how about here? 18. How about here? 6. 6. So the volume of the, okay, so the volume of jug C is equal to 6 tablespoons. So these are tablespoons. So if we will compare these 3 jug A, B, and C, volume of water in jug C is the least because only 6. And the volume of water in jug A is A and B. A is more than or less than? Less than, because only 12. Here is 18. How about here? Jug B is the most? Most, because there are 18. This is the most number of tablespoons. And we will compare jug A and C. Jug A and C. More. Jug A is more because jug A is 12, has 12, and jug C has only 6. Now here, a while ago, we answered this one in our previous video, right? Now here, what is the capacity of the flask? Capacity. How many liters? 2 liters or 2L. How about the capacity of the bowl?
3L.
3L. The volume of water. The volume of water in the kettle. Hmm? 3
3
liters. How about here? How about here? The bucket. 6. Okay. 6L or 6 liters. Okay. How about the volume of water in the aquarium?
8L.
8 liters. Liters in Thai you call it lit. 8 liters in English. How about here? Capacity of the aquarium can is blank than the capacity of the bowl. Aquarium in the bowl. More than or less than? More. Okay. More than. How about here? Capacity of the flask and the kettle. Flask and kettle. More or less? Less than. Okay. Now how about here? The volume of water in the kettle and the volume of water in the bucket. Kettle and bucket. Equal to. How about here? Capacity of the blank is more than the capacity of the kettle. Bucket. How about this? Less than the capacity of the kettle. Less than the capacity of the kettle. Bowl. Bowl. How about here? Capacity of the blank is less than the capacity of the bowl. Okay, flask. Flask. And the last one here, the volume of water in the blank is less than the volume of water in the kettle.
Bowl and
bowl and flask, or flask and bowl. It's okay. Okay, bowl and flask or flask and bowl. It's okay. Now here, how about this one? This one is not in your book, but let's try to answer this one. What is the volume of water in the jug? Into teaspoon. Teaspoon. How many teaspoons?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 24, 36.
You count like this way because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 times 6 is equals to 5 times 6 is 30. 30. 50, 10, 20, 5, 10, 13, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30. How about here? In using tablespoon. Using a tablespoon. 15, not 15. 15, not 15. Just 15. That is 15. Okay, not 15. Okay, 15. Here. Find the capacity of water in each container. This one is, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is 5 times 6. 5 times 6. 5 times 6.
30.
30. How about here? Using a tablespoon. This one is not in your book.
Okay.
How many tablespoons here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. It's okay. There are 10 tablespoons. It's equal to 10 tablespoons. How about here? The capacity of the tablespoon. This is the tablespoon. Okay, this is a tablespoon, and these are the teaspoon. Tablespoon and teaspoon. So how many teaspoons in 1 tablespoon? 3. Here, volume of water in the glass is equals to how many teaspoons?
6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, 9. Here, how about here? Volume of water in the bowl is equals to how many teaspoons?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Okay, 14. Very good. Let us compare the volume of water in the teaspoon, in a glass, and in a bowl. Now here, we will use the word most, least, more, and less. Okay. Letter A. What's your answer? Letter A. The volume of water in the tablespoon is.
Volume of the tablespoon
Is.
It
is the least. Okay, least. No, it is least. Here, we will compare the bowl and the glass. Bowl and the glass. The bowl and the glass. More than or less than?
In the bowl
Is more than or less than?
Is More.
More than.
More
Okay. Because there are 14, that's why it's more than 14 tablespoons. Here, how about here? Let us see the volume of water in the bowl.
Water in bowl. There is
Most. It is most. And here we will compare the water in the tablespoon and the glass. Tablespoon is less. Okay, less. No equal. Here, what is the capacity of the container?
10 liters.
10 liters. Okay, capacity 10 liters or 10 lit. Here, how about here? The yellow liquid.
8.
8. 8 is up to here. How about here? The red liquid, color red.
3 liters.
3. In color blue, blue liquid.
1 liter.
How about in pink liquid?
10 liters.
In orange liquid?
5 liters.
5 liters. Very easy. Very easy. Now here, how about here? This is called a measuring cup. Okay, this is called a measuring cup. Now, what is the capacity of this measuring cup? What is the capacity? Capacity is
5.
5L or 5 liters. Okay, 5 liters capacity. Okay, 5 liters. And what is the volume? 3 liters. How about here in the aquarium? What is the capacity of the aquarium? Is 5. Okay, 5. This is 5 liters. And what is the volume here of water?
4 liters.
4 liters. So right here, 4 liters. It's easy, right? This one is very easy. Next one here. What is the capacity of this plastic bottle? Capacity
of the plastic bottle is 5.
5. And what is the volume of milk here?
3 liters.
3. How about here in the jug? What is the capacity of the jug?
5 liters.
5 liters. And what is the volume here?
2 liters.
Only 2 liters. How about here? What is the capacity of this bottle?
2 liters.
2 liters. And the volume is?
1 liter.
1 liter. It's very easy. The volume and capacity is very easy, right? It's so easy. The easiest one. Okay. 5 liters, 3 liters. Here, 5 liters, 2 liters. The volume or the capacity is 2 liters. The volume is 1 liter. Very easy, right? How about here? This one is the capacity, the volume of the water. Is equal to 4 teaspoons. Okay. Here, everybody, please prepare your book. Again, what here? Letter A. What's your answer? Letter A. How many teaspoons?
8.
How many? 8. Okay, 8. Letter B. How many teaspoons?
10.
10. Letter C. And there's no letter C. This is number 25. 2 cups. How about here? 30 tablespoons. Here, this one is the capacity 2L. The volume is 1L or 1 liter. So if more than one, you put letter S. Okay, don't forget to put letter S. If only one, do not put letter S. Okay, 1 liter only. And here, 2 liters. So put letter S. Okay. Here again, letter A. Capacity of the jar. Capacity.
3
liters. The volume. The volume.
2 liters.
2 liters. Right here, 2 liters. Letter B. What is the capacity of the bowl?
4 liters.
Ah, you can see here 4, so that is 4 liters. And the volume?
4 liters.
2 liters. Ah, it's so easy. Here, letter C. Capacity of the water can?
5 liters.
5 liters. And the volume?
4
4
liters.
liters.
4 liters. That's so easy, right? And the last letter, letter D. Letter D, the last letter. Ah, what is the capacity of the bucket?
6 liters.
6 liters.
6
6
liters.
liters.
And the volume?
3 liters.
The volume is 3 liters. Okay. Everybody, pencils up.
I finished.
Very good.
Bye, teacher.
Okay, see you next week. See you next week. Goodbye, goodbye.
Bye.